My name is Samantha Roberts. I am an Associate Professor in Accounting at Birmingham City University. This video presentation, entitled The Future of Accounting, will briefly examine the changing landscape of the accounting profession and how the accountant of the future may differ from the accountant of the past. Accounting is as old as civilization itself. It is believed to have been initiated as long ago as 4000 BC by the Babylonians and Egyptians, when they were thought to have used clay tablets to record transactions. The Egyptians used accounting to record the safekeeping of gold and valuables and their treasures, and it is thought they sent monthly reports to the kings. The Romans used daybooks or memorandum to record receipts and payments, and they posted these entries into ledgers to maintain records of their transactions. And it is said that over 5,000 years ago in ancient China, sophisticated accounting methods were being used by the dynastic leaders in the governing of the people. But what does an accountant actually do? Well, there are some traditional thoughts around what an accountant might do and some ideas that you might have yourself of what an accountant looks like and what they do for a job. The first thing is perhaps the practice accountant. A practice accountant produces sets of annual accounts for companies of all sizes. And in doing this, it takes the records produced by a company and prepares or finalizes the accounts. Maybe an auditor. An auditor is someone who inspects the accounting records and practices of a business or another organization and reports on this. Or perhaps the tax accountant. This is a specialist role within the accountancy profession, and it's someone who can provide advice and expertise on all aspects of tax for both companies and individuals. Anything from how much tax needs to be paid, perhaps which taxes apply to a given situation, and advice on organising finances in a tax-efficient way. Maybe the public sector, a public accountant. Accountants will be looking after income and budgets in your local and national governments. You will find accountants in every walk of life and in every industry. Perhaps even a financial advisor. A financial advisor can offer advice on savings, investments, inheritance tax planning. They will have a wide range of financial knowledge in order to be able to offer the right kinds of services and to comply with legislation wherever they are operating. And this can be a career path that an accountant might choose. How is the role changing? Well, technology influences every aspect of our lives. Power has increased exponentially. The growth of social media, the changing ways that we meet, our connectivity has completely revolutionized the way business works and has influenced the role of the accountant. The major role of compliance, it is believed, will be completely commoditized as we move into the future. It's a very repetitive task, and supercomputers are taking over the processing and checking of data. Already around the world, we can see that government tax departments are requiring standard business reporting and one-click tax lodgement through internet accounting systems. The traditional accountant could be bypassed for standard annual reporting in the future for smaller companies. No one can stop this social change. People want their data and information on mobile devices. It is believed that the cloud accounting software will be installed in large numbers of small to medium businesses as we move and progress through time. It makes life easier for the operators and for the accountants. The benefits of cloud management systems in accounting firms is clear. Clients will no longer have to send you files, you will have access to them remotely, and you'll be able to access them from anywhere. The benefits of this to both you and your clients are clear, with improved efficiencies, cheaper operating costs, and more mobility opportunities. Offshore teams will be more prevalent. With cloud computing, you don't need a team of people in an office. You can look for labour in other countries. Often labour here is cheaper and more accessible. We already have accounting firms with full-time teams based all over the world offering these virtual services. The one who owns the financial data owns the long-term relationship. It's easy for a non-accountant to help client get into cloud accounting, and for the smaller client, direct submission of their statutory returns will bypass the need for the traditional role of the accountant. So what skills will you need to have them to persuade them to stay with you as business coaches and consultants look to take more of the client base? The old models of command control management and hierarchical office-bound seniors are not what the 20-somethings want to sign up for. It's not what you're interested in as a career in accounting. Not staid and boring with standard office equipment and furniture and boring restrictions, lots of files and folders and paper. This is not what the generation of the future believe that accounting firms should be. So let's go back to what an accountant does. So we're back to the practice accountant, auditor, tax accountant. They're still there, still a part of what we do. But actually, you'll see it's much, much wider than that. Business advisors, business leaders, strategic leaders, entrepreneurs. These are all career paths that you can go down if you choose the role of accounting. But you're going to need to differentiate yourself. What kind of skills are you going to need? Why should clients come to you and stay with you? What value are you going to add to them? Well, you're going to need different skills, not just technical. You're going to need to have marketing and sales skills. You're going to be able to need to talk to your clients, offer advice, add value to their businesses. The business advisory side of accounting is going to continue to grow. As an accountant, you can add huge amounts of value when you know all the facts. For example, if a client is in trouble, you can offer advice and support to sort out the situation with perhaps external stakeholders, such as banks or tax departments. The problem is that historically accountants have been swamped by compliance services and didn't have time to add value to their clients. But this is all changing with the new technologies. And as a result, the skills that you're going to need as an accountant moving forward are ever changing. And what does this mean for the future of accountancy? The future is still bright. Accountancy is responding to the changing environment. Here at BCU, our courses are continuously being updated to reflect the needs of the profession and the global commercial world. We take advice from industry, the global professional bodies, academic researchers and students in developing the degree courses at BCU, always ensuring that we offer students excellence in education and experience. Birmingham City University offers a wide range of undergraduate accounting-based courses. What you can see in front of you is the current suite of courses that are on offer. As you can see, we have a common first year. We do this to allow students the opportunity to switch between courses after their first year. This takes the pressure off in choosing the so-called right course at the very beginning, and it ensures that everybody has the foundations for moving forward with their studies. The courses on offer give you a wide range of exemptions from the professional accounting bodies, such as ACCA and CIMA. Throughout your studies, staff will guide and advise you to ensure you have the opportunity to maximise any exemptions from these professional bodies that you may wish to claim. In addition to our undergraduate courses, we also offer a range of postgraduate courses. This is just one of our current offering. This particular course is aligned to the CIMA qualification. But from September 2020, we also offer a master's course that is aligned to ACCA. Further details of this course are available on the BCU website. As well as the traditional degree courses, Birmingham City University are proud to be a platinum provider of ACCA tuition. And again, if the ACCA qualification is something that you are interested in, the details are available on our website. So what does this mean for you and the future of accountancy? Accountancy offers a diverse and satisfying career. The knowledge that is acquired and the skills that are developed as part of both the studies and practice in the accountancy field offer a wide range of opportunities, not only in the accounting profession, but in all aspects of business, public, private, and the third sector. Every industry relies on its finances. Having an understanding of how the money works offers you a great opportunity to succeed. A career in accountancy can open many doors. Understanding the money will stand you in good stead, no matter what career path you choose. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please refer to the BCU website, the address of which is here on the screen.